Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Allied School YouTube channel. This video is for class 5. Today I am going to teach you exercise 1B, questions 1 to 4. These questions have been given at pages 6 and 7. Okay, let's start our lesson. First question is that fill in the blanks. Okay, 5 blanks have been given. Let's see each blank one by one. Yes, 6,920,110 is more than 6,900,000. Okay, you know this value is greater. Okay, 6,920,110 is greater than this value. Okay, now how much more 6,920,110 to how much more this value to this value 6,900,000. You have to find it. You have to find this thing. Okay, take some examples, simple examples. 690 is more than 600. If you subtract 600 from 690, you will get the answer. And you can see here 90 times it is more than. Okay, 690 minus 690. 90 is your answer. Let's see, take another example. 6,920 is dash more than 6,000. So how much more 6,920 to 6,000? Very simple. You have to subtract 6,000 from this value. Okay, let's see here. Subtract 6,000 from this value. So what will be the answer? 920. Okay, 920 times this value is more. Okay, now very simple. What will you do here? You will subtract this value from this value. So what will be the answer? You can see here 920,000 and 110. Here 900,000. 20,110 is more. You can see here. And other way, if you want to subtract this value from this value, you will get the answer. Okay, otherwise if you see carefully, so you will find the answer 20,110 times more. Okay, answer is 20,110. You can find this answer 6,900,000. If you subtract this value from this value, you can get this answer. Okay, now B, sum of 4,952,106 and 900,000 is. So here you have to add both value because you have to find the sum. Okay, and when you find sum, you have to add both values. Okay, note, you are careful to write columns neatly and carefully and start working from the ones column first. This is the rule. First you copy this value. Okay, then you copy this value and now add. Very simple. 6, 0, 1, 2 and 0, 2, 5 and 0, 5, 9 and 9, 8, 1 right here, carry 1 and 4, 5. So what is the answer? 5,852,106 is your answer. Now moves to the third one. 5,874,813 is greater than 5,774,813 by dash. Yes, here you have to tell how much more this value to this value. Okay, you can subtract to find the answer. If you subtract this value from this value, you can find the answer. Okay, in the other way, if you see this value carefully, here look at all the digits are similar, but this place value 700,000, okay, and 800,000. You can see here 800,000 and here 700,000. It means 100,000 is more this value. The answer is simple. 100,000 is greater by, this value is greater by 100,000. And other way, you can you will subtract this value from this value, okay, and you will get, you can see here, first copy this value, okay, then this value is 0, 100, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 1, 100,000 is your answer, okay. Comes to third D part. Dash and dash together make. Together make, it means you have to add both values, okay. You have to add and you will get the answer. First note, you are careful to write columns neatly and carefully and start working from the ones column first. First you copy this one, this value, this figure, and then this figure. Now add both values, you will get your answer, okay. I think you will do this one, okay. Add both values and write the answer. Now E part, difference of 5,610,823 and 9,610,072 is dash. Difference, here you have to subtract to find out difference simply here, okay. And you know 6,610,072 is greater, so you write first this value, okay, write first and then you have to copy this value, okay. Now subtract. You can see here 3 is not subtracted from 2, okay. We can't subtract 3 from 2. You take 1, you can take or borrow 1 from 7. Now 12. Now 3 can subtract from 12. 9 in here 6. 6 minus 2 4. 0 8 cannot subtract. We can't subtract 8 from 0. We take 1. 10. 10 minus 8 2. Now here 9 becomes 9 minus 0 9 and here 0, okay, 0 and we cannot subtract 1 from 0 to take 1 from here. Now it becomes 10. 10 minus 1 9, okay, and here 5. 5 minus 6 not possible. Now take 1 from here, 9 from 9. 15 minus 6 9, okay. Now here what is the value? 9 or 8? 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. Now the answer is 3,999,249 is your answer. Now comes to question number 2. State whether the following are true or false. Let's see one by one. Yes, if 1 is added to the greatest 8-digit number, it makes the smaller 9-digit number. What is the meaning of this statement? First you have to understand it. If we add 1 to the greatest 8-digit number and we get the smallest 9-digit number, that means this statement should be true, okay. Now first of all you have to think, what is the 8-digit greatest number, the greatest 8-digit number, okay. Right, think, write in your right. 99,999,999 is the greatest 8-digit number. This is the greatest. Now count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 greatest digit number, okay. Now add 1. 9 and 1 10. 0, write 1 here, carry 1 and 9 10, 0, 1 here, 1 and 9 10, 0, 1 here, 1 and 9 10, 0, 1 here, 1 and 9 10, 0 1, okay, 0 1, 1 and 9 10, 0 1 here, 1 and 9 10. Now read this value, yes, and count the digits. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is the 9-digit number, okay, and this is the smallest 9-digit number, and it is called 100 millions. What is it called? 100 millions. It means that 100 millions is the smallest 9-digit number. It means this statement is true. Okay, now let's second example. 500,000 subtracted from 600 millions. 500,000 equals 600 millions. When you subtract 500,000 from this value 600 millions, 500,000, the answer is 600 millions. Okay, very simple. You can see here you can see 500,000, okay, and here 500,000. So when you subtract 500,000 from this value, 500,000 minus 500,000, it becomes 0. So what will the answer? What will be your answer? The answer is 600 million. Simple. You can see here 600 million. Okay, it means that this statement is true. Okay, if you want to do this, you can simply subtract 500,000 from 600 millions 500,000. Okay, do on paper. Okay, now comes to C. 750,000 is the sum of 500,000. Okay, dash is the sum of 500,000 and 25,000. So you have to add both value. If the answer equals to this value, it means that this statement is true. Okay, this statement is true. Now write first this value 500,000, then 25,000, add 0 0 0 5 and 2 and 5. 525,000. No, 525,000 is the answer, but here you can see 750,000. So it means that this statement is false. Okay, now comes to D. The difference of 12,500,000 and 720 and 22,500,000 and 720 is 12,500,000. Okay, it means that you have to subtract 12,500,000 and 720 from this value, 22,500,000 and 720. If after subtraction you will get this answer, it means that this statement is true. First copy this figure 22,500,000 and 720 to 20, and now you have to copy 12,500,000 and 720. Now subtract. False, because you can see here 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 2 and 0. 2 minus 1 1. No, this value we cannot find this value in the answer. Okay, that's why this statement is false. Yes, question number 3. Select the correct answer from the given options. Now you have to select the best answer, correct answer from the given options. Given options are, you can see 1 2 3 4, they are the given options. Okay, here you have two methods to find the correct answer. Okay, first, if you add this value to these given options, okay, one by one. If you add this value to given options one by one, if the result is 61,253,129. That number will be your answer. Okay, first add this value into first option. Okay, right, first 61,203,129 and this one. Yes, add 61,203,129 and 50,000. Okay, now, or what will you do? Second method, if you subtract 50,000 from this value, okay, you will get the answer. Okay, check 9092135, okay, 216. You can see here this value. Okay, this value comes 61,203,129 is the answer. This is the first way you can find the answer, and this is the second way. If you subtract 50,000 from this value, you will get the answer. Okay, if you add this value, if you add all the options, okay, and 50,000, then you will get the answer. Okay, this is the two method. So the answer is 61,203,129 is your answer. Yes, the number which is 2,000 less than 39,732,400 is dash. So simple, very simple. Less than, it means that you have to subtract 2,000 from this value. From this value. Yes. What is the answer? 0, subtract 0, 0, 4 minus 0, 4, and 2 minus 2, 0. Okay, 0 and 4. 0 and 4. So what is the answer? Simple. You have to subtract 2,000 from this value and you can find the answer. I think you will do this one and find the answer. Okay, on your own. You have to solve on your own. Now comes to next. 8,765,550 is reduced by dash 7,550,000. The result is equal to, reduced by means subtracted. Okay, you have to subtract this value from this value. Okay, write first this one because this is greater value, and then copy this value, subtract, and you will find the answer. Okay, now comes to next question. 67,824,729 plus 624,216 is equal to, yes, simple, very simple. You have to add both values and find the answer. Write first, this is greater value, write first this one and then this one and add both values. You will find your answer and check which is which your answer and the given options. Okay, I hope you will do this one. Yes, E part, the last one of this question. If the smallest 6-digit number is subtracted from the greatest 7-digit number, the result is dash. Yes, for subtracted from the greatest 7-digit number. First you have to think, what is the greatest 7-digit number? 9 million. Yes, 9,999,999 is the greatest 7-digit number. And what is the smallest 6-digit number? Think. Yes, right. The smallest. Yes, 100,000. The smallest value is 100,000. Now subtract. Very simple. 9,999 and 9 and 8 and 9. 989. This is your answer. Yes, you are right. 9,899,999 is your answer. Inshallah, I hope you will do question 1, 2 and 3 inshallah on your own. Now question 4, add the given numbers. 9 questions have been given to you. Now let's see. Yes. So remember, you are careful to write columns neatly and carefully and start working from the ones column first. Yes. 3 and 6, 9. 2 and 4, 6. 6 and 3, 9. 4 and 5, 9. 8 and 1, 9. 9 and 0, 9. 1 and 2, 3. The answer is 6,999,969 is your answer. Yes, I hope you will do all these questions on your own. If you feel any difficulty, if you have any problem, you will contact with us. Okay. Now comes to next question. Write vertically and add. This is the last question of today's lecture. Write vertically and add. Okay. The first question A, 3,564,121 plus 2,473,565. Okay. First you copy this value. You can see here. Okay. Then you have to copy this value. Okay. Now start adding. Now in B question, 3 figures have been given. This one, first value 2,655,132. Then you have to copy this value. Write the figures according to the place value. Okay, 2,984, 2,984 and 34,000. Okay, 103. Now add each column one by one and you will get the answer. Okay, I hope you will do all these questions on your own. Okay, A to H. Yes, now what will you do? Solve question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4 and question 5 of exercise 1B from pages number 6 and 7 in your notebook. You have to do this work within 3 days. Okay, I hope you will do all these questions on your own. Inshallah, best of luck. Thanks for watching this video. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.